Can I activate a gift card online without buying anything?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a very pertinent question. Can I activate a gift card online without buying anything? This might sound complicated, but the process is relatively straightforward once you know the steps. So, let's dive in.
What is a gift card?
A gift card is essentially a prepaid stored value money card, usually issued by a retailer or bank, that can be used as an alternative to cash for purchases within a particular store or related businesses.
Can you activate a gift card online?
Yes, you absolutely can. Activating a gift card online without making a purchase is generally possible, though the process might differ depending on the provider of the gift card. However, some gift cards can only be activated at the point of purchase, which means you might need to go to the store physically or make a small purchase online.
How to activate a gift card online?
Here are general steps to activate your gift card online. 1. Visit the website provided on the back of your gift card. This is typically the website of the company that issued the gift card. 2. Look for an option that says Activate Gift Card or something similar. This could be under Account Settings, Services, Gift Cards, or similar sections. 3. Enter the gift card details as prompted. This usually includes the gift card number and PIN, if available. 4. Complete the activation process by following any additional instructions provided. Remember, the specifics might vary, so always follow the guidelines provided with your particular gift card. Activating a gift card online without buying anything is usually possible and can be a convenient way to prepare for future purchases. However, always be sure to follow the specific instructions provided with your gift card. If you have trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to the issuing company's customer service. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now confident in activating your gift cards online. Happy shopping!